Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome back to Family Law Assistance. Today, I just thought I would drop in, say hi, we're making it through this far in the week, yay us. I thought I'd drop on here and just give you a bit of update about what's happening so far, because there's been a lot that's been going on. So I'm going to just dive straight into it. I'm going to dive in and talk about, first of all, contact centres. So we've got a lot of clients at the moment who sadly are having to have contact with their children in a contact centre. Now, I want to caveat by saying that everywhere in the country is operating by different rules. Not everybody's singing from the same hymn sheet. It would be nice if they did, because then it would make my life, honestly, just a lot easier. So one of the things we've noticed in contact centres, we had a case this morning actually where somebody had tried to get in touch with a contact centre. So here's the tea about contact centres. Right now, some are opening, some are not. The most aren't. Now, interestingly, because we actually rang a couple of contact centres, and what they're saying and what they've been emailing have been a little bit different. Now that could be just it just happened to be the contact centres that we called. Because obviously there are a lot of people, a lot of you out there who are kind of worried about what's going to happen. When are the contact centres going to be open, and how and when will that progress your case? Because listen, we get it. There are some of you out there who are watching this who have to see their children in a contact centre for whatever reason, and often in a family law case that can't progress until that contact centre, those sessions have happened, be it supervised, be it supported. So my top tip at the moment is keep checking with your local contact centre. Find out exactly when they are open. Now, some of them have been open for a couple of weeks. There is a caveat though with that, because of COVID, one of the things that we're finding is that the ones that are opening, they are reduced capacity, social distancing, like everywhere right now. So if you are having an order and you need to have contacts in a contact centre, call the contact centre, book your slot if they are open, find out when they may be opening and what restrictions there are in place. One of the things that's guaranteed to happen at the moment is that there is going to be reduced capacity. So some of them are working on a slot basis. Some of them have what they call a backlog, although they're not really calling it a backlog. Yeah, so that's the tea on that. There's going to be reduced capacity. There's going to be the whole social distancing, which I get you can't do with a child, especially a little one. So that the contact centres have taken place. Now, this is going to be frustrating. I'm just going to put that out there right now. It is going to be frustrating. It's frustrating because the capacity is reduced, and there's a lot of people out there right now who need contact centres. And guess what? That from what I know anyway, comment down below if you're having some issues, or if you know something that we don't. We like to keep you on top of everything that's happening here right now. So if you're having any issues with contact centres, pop your details and pop your comments down below, and you'll always get a response. Somebody's going to respond to you, okay? So if you're having issues with contact centres, holler and let us know. It's interesting. I don't know, those of you who are watching right now, I don't know which part of the country that you are. It differs from area to area, just like the courts are. One of the things we've noticed is that people who are going through the courts, one thing that is happening right now is that you may be getting a judge that's not geographically where you are. And I get it, you know, COVID, but one of the advantages that you have of having a virtual hearing is that you may get judges that aren't necessarily geographically where you are, which I'm hoping that means that your hearing will be hurried along and you'll get matters heard sooner rather than later. Okay, next thing I wanted to update you on is that we are having our regular Ask Us Anything about family law. This is being hosted on the 30th of July. Do you know, I nearly forgot what month we were in then. This is being hosted on the 30th of July. Get your tickets now. They're free, by the way. Okay, they're free. We we've done this for yonks. The tickets tend to go pretty fast. We've done this for yonks, but we've always done this here, right here. So people used to write in and put comments in and DM us questions that they wanted answering live when we would do a Ask Us Anything live. Right now, what we've decided to do, prompted by COVID, is to have Zoom sessions. So grab your tickets, they're free. Join us on a Zoom, and any questions that you have about family law, this is your opportunity to ask those questions. There's burning questions that you may be in a tricky position right now. You may be contemplating proceedings. You may have had contact stopped. You may be trying to work out what to do with your finances. Whatever it might be, okay, we're doing the Zoom session on the 30th of July. I personally prefer it because it means that I get to see you and you obviously get to see us. So if you've got any burning questions, I will get my esteemed partner to put the deets down below for the Ask Us Anything. Grab your tickets. And then finally, I wanted to talk to you. You may have heard me shout and hollering about our graduates, the people that we've already trained and who have officially joined the warm embrace of the Family Law Assistance family. And I spoke about them. So we've got some amazing people that have now physically joined the family. And you know what? You're going to get to meet them. So one of the things that we're going to be scheduling to do is to have a series of lives so that we just have, honestly, just a bit of an old chin wag about family law. Okay, so that is going to be coming soon. By the way, if you're sitting there thinking, wow, I'd love to do that, that's amazing. And what we do is pretty amazing, if I say so myself, and I do, get it right, and it's life-changing stuff. You have to have the skin of a rhinoceros. You have to have passion, determination, and the ability to care. No experience necessary. I'm doing training. I'm offering out training to a select few. So if you think that is you, holler, get in touch. I'd like to hear from you. But the people that have made it through, and the people that we have decided that, honestly, have the right attitude. That's been my biggest thing. You all know I wasn't into empire building way back when in the day, and I'm really glad I'm really glad that we stuck to who we are, and the people that we've got now, they're incredible. You are absolutely gonna want them in your corner. We have been around for around 13 years. I myself have been working in civil litigation for nearly 20 years. Trust me when I say that there ain't nothing we've not seen before. So if you want to hop on our live on the 30th of July, want to come and meet the grads, I'll be putting some dates on, and we'll be sharing all that good stuff real soon. If you have any comments, drop them in the comments below. Any questions you want asking, save them, grab a ticket, and join us on the Ask Us Live Anything on the 30th of July. I'll put up some dates in the comments below. If there's any listen, one of the things I was thinking about, if there's anything that you want me to particularly do a live about, I drop them in the comments. I'm always going to be making sure that things are up to date. I occasionally jump on here now and do a live about something topical. Not long ago I did a live about the courts, etc. Moving forward, I am going to be doing some masterclasses about certain topics. I keep saying this, but it's just a lot of moving parts. There's a lot of moving parts. So if there's anything that you want me to specifically talk about, then do let me know. Right, I think that's all my updates for now. Can I think of anything else? Probably. I come off the live and go, oh gosh, I didn't mention this, or I didn't mention that. Okay, right, guys, have an amazing rest of your day, and I'll catch you later.